Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pickled jujubes. First, select about 500 grams of fresh, firm jujubes, making sure they are free from any blemishes. Next, wash them thoroughly under cool running water to remove any dirt or residue. Finally, use a fork to prick each jujube several times. This crucial step helps the pickling brine penetrate the fruit, ensuring a flavorful result. Get ready to enjoy a unique and tangy treat. Now, let's create the flavorful brine for your jujubes. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. You can also add 1 tablespoon of sugar to balance the flavors. For extra zest, include your favorite pickling spices like mustard seeds or dill. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. With your brine ready, it's time to pickle. Carefully pack the pricked jujubes tightly into clean, sterilized glass jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. Next, pour the hot brine over the jujubes, making sure they are completely submerged. Tap the jars gently to release any air bubbles. Seal the jars tightly with lids. Allow them to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 weeks before enjoying your homemade pickled jujubes. Once your pickled jujubes are ready, store them in the refrigerator. They will maintain their best quality for up to 3 months, offering a delightful tangy crunch whenever you crave it. These unique pickles are fantastic as a standalone snack, or you can serve them alongside savory dishes to add a burst of flavor. They also make a wonderful addition to charcuterie boards. For more great deals, and to find those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.